For any parents of toddlers like me, you are going to love this. It's extremely simple, very cheap. You most likely already have everything here at home. If not, I got literally everything from the Dollar Tree. And it's fun, it's easy, and even though it may look very simple to you, the fact that you are allowing your child to help decorate an everyday item means the world to them, because they're going to be seeing you using it often, regularly, and for long periods of time. All they're going to do is just paint them. I like to put them there on that cardboard. That way it's double-sided already, and I can join her. So she does one side and I do the other side, just so we can bond. She's using her imagination. Blackpink for her favorite K-pop group, and then she was telling me how she's gonna color the next one to look like Cruella de Vil from one of her favorite movies. It is making her really happy and excited. I got a sticker book from her room, and she can just add that onto the little pins once they are already dry, or before, if she just wants to decorate it using the pins. As you can see here, one was completely dried when she added the sticker. And as you can see those, she has some stickers there. It looks really cool, really 90s kid. And these here I did because I'm gonna do some Power Ranger theme ones. That's all that came to mind. I'm not as creative, but use your imagination, have fun with them, and you can really make something beautiful. And then there is the end result. It's just an obvious little clip for chips or cereal. Super simple, but it's exciting, and the kids will love it, especially if you add it to their lunchbox once school starts.